Did you know that by 2030, around 800 million jobs worldwide could be replaced by automation and AI, according to a report by McKinsey? That's right. In less than a decade, we could see a seismic shift in the global workforce. This isn't just a prediction or a sci-fi movie plot, it's based on serious research conducted by one of the world's most respected consulting firms. The implications of this are staggering. It's not just about job loss, but also about the transformation of entire industries and the potential for a new era of productivity and efficiency. While it might sound ominous, it's important to remember that every wave of technological advancement has ultimately led to new opportunities and progress. Change is inevitable, and in this case, AI and automation are the catalysts. So it's not a question of if, but when. Now let's dive into 5 jobs AI is likely to replace in the near future. First on the list is the profession of restaurant workers. Now before you start getting visions of R2-D2 sautéing onions, let's talk about what AI in the kitchen really means. It's more than just AI robots in the kitchen flippin' burgers. AI, or artificial intelligence, is revolutionizing the culinary world in ways we wouldn't have imagined a few years ago. From fast food chains to high-end restaurants, AI is being utilized to ensure consistency, manage large volumes of food, and work tirelessly without a break. Think about it, have you ever been to a restaurant where the food tasted amazing one day and just okay the next? That's because human chefs, despite their incredible skills, can be inconsistent. They can have off days, they can get tired, and let's face it, they can't work around the clock. Enter AI. With robotic precision, an AI chef can replicate a recipe down to the smallest grain of salt every single time. It doesn't matter if it's making one dish or 100, the outcome will always be the same. Perfect. But it's not just about consistency. In a world where we're constantly battling time, AI is a game changer. Robots can work non-stop, churning out dish after dish without needing to stop for a break. They can manage large volumes of food, making them ideal for scenarios like catering events or fast food restaurants where speed is of the essence. And then there's the aspect of creativity. You might think that's where human chefs have the edge, but AI is catching up. There are AI systems now that can create new recipes by analyzing thousands of existing ones, taking into account flavor profiles, nutritional content, and even cultural food preferences. AI in the kitchen is not about replacing human chefs. It's about augmenting their abilities, freeing them from mundane tasks, and allowing them to focus on what they do best, creating culinary masterpieces that delight our senses. So, the next time you taste that perfect dish, remember, it might have been prepared by a robot chef. Next we have truck drivers. Our journey takes us to the open roads, the highways, the freeways that crisscross our continents. Now imagine these roads traversed by self-driving trucks, powered by sophisticated artificial intelligence. The realm of AI is expanding, and one of its most promising frontiers is autonomous driving. The technology has progressed significantly in recent years, with AI systems now capable of analyzing vast amounts of data from sensors, cameras and radars to make informed decisions in real time. These AI-driven vehicles can interpret traffic signals, detect obstacles, and even respond to unexpected situations, much like a human driver would. But of course, they have a few distinct advantages. AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't need sleep, and it doesn't take breaks. It can drive for hours on end, days even, without succumbing to fatigue. This makes it ideal for long-haul transportation, where drivers are often pushed to their limits. AI also doesn't mind the weather. Rain, snow, fog, or whatever Mother Nature throws its way, it can handle. It uses advanced algorithms to adapt its driving style to the conditions, ensuring that the cargo reaches its destination safely and efficiently. This is a significant advantage over human drivers, who often struggle in adverse weather conditions, leading to delays and sometimes accidents. Moreover, AI ensures consistency. Every route is calculated for maximum efficiency, every turn is perfect, every speed limit is respected. It's like having your best truck driver on their best day, all day, every day. But it's not all about efficiency and safety. With AI behind the wheel, truck drivers can be freed from the monotony of the open road. They could take on more strategic roles within the industry, focusing on logistics, planning, and customer service. So, while it's true that AI might replace truck drivers in the traditional sense, it's also true that it opens up new opportunities. Opportunities for safer, more efficient, and more human-centric logistics. The future of long-haul transportation might just be a self-driving truck. and with AI at the helm, that future looks brighter than ever. Manufacturing workers are also on the list of professions threatened by AI. As we dive deeper into the world of automation and artificial intelligence, factories are becoming increasingly populated by robots. But why is this happening? Simply put, robots are efficient, tireless, and precise. They can perform repetitive tasks with the same level of accuracy, day in and day out, without a lunch break or a sick day. Let's take a moment to imagine a typical manufacturing line. Workers are required to perform a series of repetitive tasks, such as assembling components or packaging products. These processes can be monotonous, physically demanding, and error-prone, especially when performed over extended periods. Enter AI-powered robots. They can perform these tasks more efficiently and with a significantly lower error rate. They don't suffer from fatigue, they don't require breaks, and they can work round the clock. But AI in factories extends beyond just performing manual labor. It also encompasses managing the entire production process. AI systems can monitor and control production lines, ensuring optimal performance and minimizing downtime. They can analyze vast amounts of data to identify inefficiencies and suggest improvements. They can even predict potential malfunctions and schedule preventive maintenance, thereby reducing costly and unexpected interruptions. Moreover, AI can make factories safer. Robots can take over hazardous tasks, reducing the risk of injuries to humans. AI can also monitor the factory environment for safety compliance, alerting human supervisors if any issues are detected. However, it's essential to remember that the transition to AI-driven factories is not without challenges. It requires significant investment, not only in terms of technology, but also in training the workforce to operate and maintain these systems. There are also concerns about job displacement and the social implications of a shift towards human-free factories. Despite these challenges, the benefits of AI in factories are undeniable. With improved efficiency, reduced errors, enhanced safety, and the potential for significant cost savings, it's no wonder that more and more industries are embracing this technology. And as AI continues to evolve, we can expect its role in factories to become even more prominent. The era of human-free factories is not far away. So as we navigate this new landscape, it's crucial that we prepare for the future, both in terms of technology and the skills required to thrive in an AI-driven world. The fourth job AI is set to revolutionize is that of taxi drivers. Now picture hailing a cab, and instead of a human behind the wheel, you're chauffeured by an artificial intelligence. Sounds like a plot out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? However, it's closer to reality than you might believe. AI in the taxi industry is all about efficiency and safety. It can control navigation with undeniable precision, ensuring that the fastest routes are taken and traffic is accurately predicted. Forget about human errors or miscalculations. AI doesn't get distracted or fatigued, it operates around the clock, keeping everything on point. But it's not just about driving. AI can also manage transactions. Automated payment systems are already a common sight in many ride-hailing apps. These systems use AI technology to calculate fares and process your payments, making the checkout process faster and more efficient. And let's not forget customer service. AI can provide instant responses to customer queries, predict peak hours based on past trends, and even adjust rates according to demand. It can handle multiple bookings at once, ensuring that no potential passenger is left out. AI in the taxi industry is about creating a seamless and efficient transportation experience. It's about using technology to make our travels easier and more convenient. So the next time you hail a cab, you might be escorted by an AI. But this doesn't mean the end for cab drivers. The surge of AI can create opportunities for new roles within the industry, such as maintaining and servicing the AI systems and vehicles, and even opportunities in the ride-hailing app development realm. Last but not least, we have teachers. In recent years, artificial intelligence has made significant strides in the realm of education. Imagine a world where every single student has a personal tutor, one that's available round the clock, catering to their unique learning style and pace. That's the power of AI in education. AI can provide personalized learning experiences that adapt to a student's strengths and weaknesses. Whether a student is a visual learner, an auditory learner, or something in between, AI can tailor educational content to fit their needs. It can provide interactive simulations, real-world examples, and even gamified lessons that make learning a truly engaging experience. Additionally, AI can track student progress in real time. It can identify areas where a student is struggling and provide additional resources or exercises to help them improve. This kind of personalized feedback is invaluable in helping students reach their full potential. Moreover, AI doesn't get tired or have a bad day. It's always there, ready to help, to explain, to guide, and to support. It can offer resources for a variety of learning styles, ensuring that no student is left behind. But remember, AI is not here to replace teachers. Instead, it's here to augment their abilities, to free them from administrative tasks so they can focus on what they do best, inspiring and guiding young minds. The future of education might be a personalized AI tutor. These are just a few examples of how AI is set to change the job market. But let's not be swept away by a wave of fear. Instead, let's ride the crest of this technological tsunami, understanding that with every paradigm shift, new opportunities emerge. AI is not just about replacing jobs, but creating new ones. Roles we haven't even imagined yet. It's crucial to remain adaptable, to continue learning, and to stay curious about the world of artificial intelligence. It's not a realm reserved for tech gurus and Silicon Valley elites. It's becoming a part of our everyday lives, shaping the way we work, play, and interact. The future may seem daunting, but it is also exhilarating. It's an era of transformation and we have front row seats. So let's buckle up and prepare for a journey into a future filled with endless possibilities. Remember, the only constant is change. Embrace the future, and you'll never be left behind.